Hello folks, and welcome back to Achieve. We're back with an exciting video for you today. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and bell icon to get notified about all our upcoming videos. Do you ever get carried away imagining your dream home? Maybe it's a well-built house in a nice location, with all the facilities you could need, under one roof. Well, now add millions of dollars worth of luxurious details to that home, and make it 10 times larger, because that's what it's going to take, for it to get listed as one of the most expensive houses. The most common details spotted in these houses are huge gardens, massive buildings, reputable locations, and the most important thing, only owned by billionaires, of course. So, let's take a ride around the globe to take a look at some of the most expensive houses. Number 4. Xanadu 2.0. Located above Lake Washington, USA. Xanadu 2.0 took about 7 years to build, and cost Bill Gates around $63 million. It is now worth over $127 million. Named after the fictitious home of Charles Foster Kane, the main character in Citizen Kane. Xanadu 2.0 has a vast spread of over 66,000 square feet. This house also has very unique technological features. It has been said that, when the guests arrive at Xanadu 2.0, they are given a pin that interacts with sensors all over the house, allowing them to select their desired temperature in each of the 7 bedrooms and 18.75 bathrooms. Number 3. Kensington Palace Gardens. Kensington Palace Gardens is a half-mile long, tree-lined avenue in the heart of the City of London. The houses along this avenue are dubbed Billionaires' Row, and are often cited as the most exclusive addresses in West Central London. Nearby is Kensington Palace, where Princess Diana lived, and a London home of the Sultan of Brunei. One of these properties, 18-19 Kensington Palace Gardens, is owned by the billionaire steel tycoon, Lakshmi Mittal. In 2004, he bought the prestigious property from former Formula One racing boss, Bernie Ecclestone, for $128 million. At the time, it was the most expensive house in the world. With garage space for more than 20 cars, the mansion covers over 55,000 square feet of space, has almost 15 bedrooms, and possesses a luxurious ballroom. This street also has significant importance, as a place that houses billionaires from all around the globe. Number 2. Villa Les Sedres. Located on a 35-acre estate in the French countryside, this 18,000 square foot house is nothing less than a royal haven. Built for the Belgian king, Leopold II, in 1830. The property retains its classic royal architecture, with stunning art, intricate antique furniture, and luxurious furnishings. This property also has 14 bathrooms, a massive swimming pool, an auditorium, an elegant study, a facility large enough to house 30 horses, and a garden so large that it requires 15 gardeners to maintain. With a price tag of $450 million. This stunning house on the Riviera undoubtedly ranks within the top 4 most luxurious and expensive houses on the planet. Number 1. Buckingham Palace. It seems like the Queen of the United Kingdom is also the Queen of properties. The official royal palace of Great Britain is unsurprisingly the most expensive house in the world, given that they once ruled much of the planet. It is worth over $1,500 million and is centered in London, one of the most luxurious cities on the planet. Within the palace walls, there are 775 rooms, including 52 bedrooms for the royal family and their personal guests, 78 bathrooms, and 92 offices. There are also 19 guest rooms, a dining gallery, a music room, and a real-life throne room. The 40 acres of land surrounding the palace contain iconic gardens and beautiful walkways. Do you plan on buying one of these houses in the future? Here at Achieve, we believe that anything is possible if you have the drive and motivation, so always make sure to dream big. If you enjoyed our video today, then please hit that little thumbs up button and don't forget to give us your feedback in the comment section below. We will be back with another exciting video soon, so stay tuned. And with that, we bid you adieu.